In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a test order on Shopify step by step. Whether you're launching a new store or simply want to ensure everything is running smoothly, placing a test order is a fantastic way to catch any potential issues before your customers do. By the end of this guide, you'll be confidently simulating transactions to check your store's checkout process using Shopify's tools. Let's start by setting up the bogus payment method. This feature allows you to test transactions without needing a real credit card, making it incredibly useful for verifying that everything is functioning as expected. To begin, head over to your Shopify dashboard. Look towards the bottom left side of the screen and click on Settings. This is your central hub for all configurations associated with your store. From here, click on Payments. This page offers a range of payment options available for your store so that you can effectively manage how transactions are processed. Next, you want to scroll until you see an option labeled Third-Party Payment Providers. Select this, and you'll find a list of different payment gateways you can integrate into your store. For our testing purposes, we need to select the Bogus Gateway provided by Shopify. What's great about the Bogus Gateway is that it allows you to simulate payments without any risk to your finances. Think of it as a sandbox for testing, keeping things safe while ensuring that your infrastructure is working correctly. Now, you might be wondering how exactly this Bogus Gateway works. Upon selecting it, you'll be presented with some specific codes to use in place of the traditional credit card number when you're ready to check out. Here's how it works. Enter 1 if you'd like to simulate an approved transaction, 2 for a scenario where the transaction is declined, and 3 if you want to simulate a gateway failure. This range of options provides you with a comprehensive look at different payment scenarios, helping you to adjust and prepare your store accordingly. Once you've installed the Bogus Gateway, it's time for the exciting part, testing it out. Head over to your live site and simulate purchasing a product using these face codes. It might be useful to choose a product you're familiar with so you can focus entirely on the payment process. Enter one of the codes as your payment method and proceed as if you're a customer completing a purchase. Throughout this process, pay close attention to each step to ensure everything, from purchase confirmation to any error messaging, is functioning seamlessly. And that's all there is to placing a test order on Shopify using the bogus payment method. You've now completed what can be an incredibly useful process for ensuring your business is ready for the real world. Remember, routinely placing test orders as you make changes to your site can help spot any potential issues early, keeping things running smoothly. Thank you for joining me, and happy selling with Shopify.